Hi dear friends, how are you? Welcome to this channel and let's see our today's video, and that is English workshop of 1.4 All the World is a Stage. So let's start. First, warming up. First question, it is a pair work. Talk to your friend about all the things related to 7. तो आपके दोस्त के साथ ऐसे चीज़ों के बारे में बात करना है जो 7 नंबर से जुड़ी हो. For example, 7 wonders of the world. Pair up with your partner and name those given below, all of the under. A. 7 wonders of the world. First, Taj Mahal in India. Second, Petra in Republic of Jordan. Third, Colosseum in Rome. Fourth, Machu Picchu in Peru. Fifth, Chichen Itza in Mexico. Sixth, Great Wall in China. Seventh, Christ the Redeemer in Brazil. B. The 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America, South America, and Europe. C. The 7 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. D. The 7 notes of the music: Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni. E. The 7 seas of the world: the North Pacific Ocean, the South Pacific Ocean, the North Atlantic Ocean, the South Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. Second number question, life is often compared to many things. Write down 7 things that life can be compared to and justify the comparison. For example, life is a keyboard because if you press the right keys, you have typed a good destiny. B. Life is an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. C. Life is a roller coaster. It has ups and downs. D. Life is a mystery. We don't know what will come next. E. Life is a game. Play it well. F. Life is like an onion. When we peel off layer, it makes us cry. G. Life is what we think. Third, match the approximate ages with the stages. Total 7 stages have been given here. First age group, from birth to 2 years. Answer, babyhood or infancy. Second age group, from 3 years to 12 years. The answer, childhood. Third age group, from 13 years to 17 years. Answer is A, teenage or adolescence. Fourth age group, from 18 years to about 44 years. Answer F, adulthood. Fifth age group, from about 45 years to 60 years. It is called middle age. And sixth group, 65 years up to 75 to 80 years. Answer, it is called senior citizen or elderly person. Seventh age group, and it is above 80 years. So answer is B, old age or second childhood. So let's move towards the margin questions. First question, what do exits and entrances refer to? तो exits और entrances क्या दर्शाते हैं? Answer, exits and entrances refer to birth and death respectively. Second, why is reputation like a bubble? प्रतिष्ठा को बबल की तरह क्यों कहा गया है? Answer, reputation is just like a bubble because it is very delicate and can burst anytime, means reputation is uncertain and keeps changing according to the situation and circumstances. It is as short-lived as bubble is. That is why reputation is referred to as a bubble in this poem. Third question, what is the major difference noticed in the 5th and 6th stage of life? जीवन के 5वें और 6ठे चरण में प्रमुख कौन से अंतर देखे गए? Answer, the main difference is that in 5th stage of human life, man becomes a justice. He is fat like a chicken and his flesh is bulging out of his vest. His beard of a formal cut. He is full of wise sayings and gives example of modern life. In the sixth stage, he becomes weak, thin old man. He looks funny in his loose clothes. His manly voice turns into treble voice. Now let's move towards English workshop. First, read the words in given clouds. Match them with what they signify. तो क्लाउड्स में दिए गए वर्ड्स को देखिए और वो क्या दर्शाते हैं उन्हें अच्छी तरह से मैच कीजिए. स्टेज लाइफ. कैरेक्टर्स रोल्स प्लेड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. स्क्रिप्ट स्टोरी ऑफ लाइफ. डायलॉग्स कन्वर्सेशन. एंट्री बर्थ. एग्जिट डेथ. Second, read the poem carefully and complete the following table. The 7 ages of man have been given, and then role, and then we have to tell qualities and actions. Ages of man, first age, his role, infant, qualities and actions, is dependent, he always omits and mewling. Second stage, his role is schoolboy, qualities, his face shines, his actions is always whine and not eager for going to school. Third stage, his role is lover, quality is sad, and his actions is sighing and singing sad poem. Fourth stage, his role is soldier, qualities is active, jealous in honor and quick-tempered. His actions does unusual promises, quarrels, and faces danger. Fifth stage, role is judge. Qualities, his experienced, fat, and serious person. His actions, eating carelessly and giving advices. Sixth stage, elderly person, becomes old man. Qualities, lean and weak. Actions, wearing spectacles, talk in very weak voice. Seventh stage, very old man, or we can say it is dotage. Qualities becomes very weak and dependent. Actions, the 5 senses are not working and becomes child once again. Question number 3. Write down in your own words the differences between the following stages of man's life. Second stage and fourth stage. In second stage, his face shines, he is unhappy, he always whines and unwilling to school. But in fourth stage, he is active, quick-tempered, he bearded like a pard, does unusual promises and quarrels and faces danger for bubble reputation. Third stage and fifth stage. In third stage, he is sad, sighing and singing a sad song by remembering his beloved person. But in fifth stage, he becomes experienced, fat and serious person. He has now formal beard. He eating carelessly and gives advices and modern examples. First stage and seventh stage. In first stage, he is dependent, he is frightened, he always mewling and puking. And in seventh stage, he is weak and thin. He also dependent in this stage. His senses are not working properly. He becomes helpless and behaves like a baby or child. Fourth number question. Pick out the lines that contain imagery of the following people. So imagery means a picture created in mind by using words or sentences. Words या sentences का इस्तेमाल करके जब दिमाग में इमेज क्रिएट होती है तो समझ लेना वहाँ पे इमेजरी फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच आया है. A school boy. The whining schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face creeping like a snail unwillingly to school. B soldier, full of strange oaths and bearded like a pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel. C judge in fair round bailey with a good capon line, with eyes severe and beard of formal cut. D senior citizen, his youthful hose well saved in a world too wide for his shrunk shank. Sixth number question. Think and write down on your own. A. What is the theme or central idea of this poem? तो इस कविता का विषय और मुख्य विचार क्या है? Answer. The theme of the poem is the cycle of life. The poet addresses the world a stage where everyone has been assigned to play a special role. The birth is entrance and the death is exit for everyone. The poet has divided life into 7 stages. Each has its own varied qualities and features. It tells how one starts out an infant when it is helpless, without understanding, and ends up the same way, without being aware of what is happening with him or her. It is an extremely knowledgeable poem about life and its stages. B. Which 2 stages of man described by Shakespeare sound humorous? Say why. शेक्सपियर ने वर्णित किए हुए मनुष्य के जीवन के ऐसे कौन से 2 चरण जो विनोद से भरे हैं और क्यों? I think the second stage of man seems to be funny because in this stage he is a schoolboy and he doesn't want to go to school, and so he walks like a snail. And the other stage is 6th stage, in which he becomes old and his youth has been lost. He becomes thin and his skin hangs around loose. His manly voice turns into treble voice, childish voice, and he is made fun by people. See, the last stage of life sounds very sad and miserable. How can you make old age also cheerful and happy? It is difficult to make our last stage very happy and cheerful, but we can make others. We would spend more time with our old parents and try to give them a lot of pleasure in that time. Our care and compassion would bind them with us. We must not neglect our parents at this stage, and we would try to treat them like small children. 7th question. A. The poem is entirely metaphorical. Pick out the comparisons from the poem. तो पूरे पोएम में मेटाफर फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच ज़्यादातर इस्तेमाल हुआ है या फिर पूरे पोएम में कंपैरिजन्स हुए हैं? तो वो कंपैरिजन किसके साथ हुए ज़रा पोएम से ढूंढ के बताइए. A. World is compared with stage. B. Actors with players. C. Birth and death, entrances and exits. D. Schoolboy, a snail. E. Lover's sigh, a furnace. F. Spotted leopard, bearded soldier. G. Last stage, last scene. Question number 7b. Pick out from the poem 2 examples of each. तो नीचे कुछ फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के नाम दिए गए और फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच के लाइंस हमें पोएम से ढूंढ के निकालनी है. ए. सिमिली. इट इज़ रियली ईजी टू आइडेंटिफाई क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो कंपैरिजन होती है वो लाइक और एज के साथ की जाती है. तो फर्स्ट लाइन लिखेंगे क्रीपिंग लाइक अ स्नेल. यहाँ पे उस स्कूल बॉय की तुलना स्नेल से की थी. सेकेंड, बियर्डेड लाइक द पार्ड. यहाँ पे सोल्जर की तुलना लेपर्ड के साथ हुई थी. बी. ओनोमैटोपिया. अब ये फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच कैसे ढूंढे? इसमें साउंड दिखाने वाला वर्ड होता है. फर्स्ट, म्यूलिंग एंड प्यूकिंग इन द नर्सेस आर्म्स. सो म्यूलिंग मतलब जो आवाज़ है बिल्ली की तरह या फिर बहुत धीमी आवाज़ में रोना, ये म्यूलिंग साउंड दिखा रहा है, तो इसके लिए ये ओनोमैटोपिया. सेकेंड, एंड देन द वाइनिंग स्कूल बॉय. यहाँ पे वाइनिंग वर्ड साउंड दिखा रहा है, दैट्स वाई ये वाली लाइन भी ओनोमैटोपिया है. सी. अलिट्रेशन. अलिट्रेशन बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी. सेम साउंड वर्ड के स्टार्टिंग में अगर बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है तो समझ लेना अलिट्रेशन है. दे हैव देयर एग्जिट्स एंड देयर एंट्रेंसेस. द. सेकेंड, एंड वन मैन इन हिज लाइफ प्लेज मेनी पार्ट्स. प्लेज पार्ट्स, मैन मेनी. म. डी देखते. डी मेटाफर. अब मेटाफर ये फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच यहाँ पे भी कंपैरिजन ही होती है, बट यहाँ पे लाइक और एज का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. जैसे द वर्ल्ड इज अ स्टेज. वर्ल्ड को स्टेज कहा गया है. एंड ऑल द मैन एंड वीमेन मियरली प्लेयर्स. मैन एंड वीमेन को प्लेयर्स कहा गया है. इन्वर्जन फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच. जब सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर गलत हो तब इन्वर्जन फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच रहता है। मुझे एक मिला है, अगर आपको मिलता है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हो। एंड वन मैन इन हिज लाइफ प्लेज मेनी पार्ट्स, यहाँ पे सीधा स्ट्रक्चर ये है, एंड वन मैन प्लेज मेनी पार्ट्स इन हिज लाइफ। एफ ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट, अब इसे कैसे ढूंढा जाए? जब किसी और की क्वालिटी किसी और को दी जाती है तब ये वाला फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच रहता है। जैसे इट वॉज अ सैड डे, कोई दिन सैड नहीं रहता, किसी के साथ जब कुछ बुरा होता है तब वो कहता है इट वॉज अ सैड डे, तो वो इंसान सैड था ना, तो दिन सैड था, तो उस इंसान की क्वालिटी उस दिन को दे दी गई, तो तब वहाँ पे आता है ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट। यहाँ पे फर्स्ट साइंग लाइक अ फर्नेस विथ वोफुल बैलेड। अब बैलेड का मतलब है सॉन्ग और पोएम और वोफुल का मतलब है सैड। तो कोई गाना कोई कविता सैड नहीं रहती, लिखने वाला या गाने वाला सैड रहता है। तो यहाँ पे ये जो सैड क्वालिटी किसी इंसान की है लेकिन वो उस गाने को या पोएम को दी गई, इसके लिए यहाँ पे आएगा ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट। सेकेंड, इनटू लीन एंड स्लीपर्ड पैंटलून। पैंटलून का मतलब है पतलून, पैंट, बैगी पैंट। तो पतलून लीन एंड स्लीपर्ड नहीं है, वहाँ पे पहनने वाला बहुत ज़्यादा दुबला पतला है, इसके लिए वो लीन एंड स्लीपर्ड लग रही है। तो यहाँ पे उस इंसान की क्वालिटी उस पतलून को दी गई है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पे भी आएगा ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट। 9 नंबर क्वेश्चन, रीड द पोएम अगेन एंड राइट एन एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम इन पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट। तो न्यू फॉर्मेट में ओनली 5 पॉइंट्स है, तो 5 पॉइंट्स का ही आपको एप्रिसिएशन लिखना है पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट में। सो वी हैव मेड द वीडियो ऑन दिस टॉपिक, यू कैन चेक द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। So here we have done all the main activities from this poem. I hope you would have understood the whole video. Thank you for watching the whole video and subscribing this channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.